The out there to my Dobane. Yolin Jamia gon' be tired. And I'm she him a because I really wanna be with you. She retired and I get ready. You come for chicken, do name she day. Tara base, I beat on chair to love you because I really wanna be with you. The chain I'm mentioning, I'm a nine and sacred name, she get up. Me children, I'm my dream, let me see the loom, come up your giver. I you down the week, I'm out if you're the watch it. Jim and phones and I say, show nigga, my chin dead, and it took up your boy piano. The moon tabby chet, go to Mumatabe, pick one, look to me, Tago, link again, now they'll tell me the shallow. Send out like Dylan, Nago, Metabi wait from the You say I'm gonna be me big shit do. You say not to dream, pick up your mitchin, the long man, I'm a she man. You taba, that ya really a me below me. Away from a calling I have a me she the outdoor to go chete, not chete, not chete. Oh. Queen look at you, Queen look at you, Queen look at you. You only gym, you're the thing, I'll be get you, I'll be get you, I'll be get you. Hey, did you touch your little about me? Katina tata be body. I do legend, 20 minutes and go Yanzo Young like out. I do choose on me leave. I sing a safe, yes, I do let ya do illuminate body. Tell we on my dobe, not do it on me body. Give me child on his chile, swim eat over zine. No mim she low fool. You say not your twin, did cap ya be chichene. The long bed, man, I'm a she man. Yogi Tava, this at ya relay a mere below. Me. From a calling I have a machine, the outdoor to go chete, not chete, not chete. Oh, I do the general the long way. I can be low to me chete and Andre. I know she will about him in drive. Your shit now so big in your queen look at you, queen look at you, queen look at you. You only gym now so big in your I'll be get you. I'll be get you. The out there from a Dobane. Young and now gon' be tired. And I'm cheating because I really wanna be with you. Hey, she retired and I get ready. It comes on chicken to name she day. Tara base and be don't to love you because I really wanna be with you.